This is a song called Lie Awake, and there are two parts. And if you want to sing, it would be amazing. We could do upstairs, downstairs. Yeah, we could. We really, really could.
Bagsy.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
To decide when you're
Bagsy,
contagious.
Bagsy.
My side, luckily, I'm very happy with my side, and I would have gone for you anyway.
No offence to you guys, by the way.
Yeah. Know that she went straight in.
No, mine was a musical.
No, it wasn't. You looked at them and you went, not for me.
But no, mine's more twangy and more piercing, and your voices will carry further. Just doing your favour. So, you guys. Go.
Okay, you ready? Very nice. Okay, my side goes. Or you could do. Okay, together. Okay, that happens twice. We'll nod you in, we'll nod you out.
Lie awake at night, and we wonder why we have to break inside to appreciate this ride. You stand there alone, we have no hope. For now the rivers will take control over any doubts that you hold with your dead mind. Control goes in mind. Thank you, Rosie.